Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain one of the topic in respiration in plants. It is respiratory quotient. In all living organisms, during aerobic respiration, oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is released into atmosphere. It is universally. During this respiration, the ratio of the volume or number of carbon dioxide evolved and volume or number of oxygen consumed in respiration is called respiratory quotient or respiratory ratio, and it is denoted with RQ. And this respiratory quotient, it is helpful to calculate basal metabolic rate of a living cell. And the formula for respiratory quotient is RQ is equal to volume or number of carbon dioxide evolved by volume or number of oxygen consumed in respiration. The respiratory quotient, it generally depending upon the type of respiratory substance which is used during respiratory process. RQ value of carbohydrates. When carbohydrates are used as a respiratory substance that can completely oxidize to release more amount of energy. And carbohydrates are the common respiratory substances in aerobic respiration. During this aerobic respiration, if glucose is participated, its formula is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 is giving rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O along with energy. During this respiratory process, 6 oxygen molecules are utilized and 6 carbon dioxide molecules are released that releases large amount of energy. And due to equal amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen evolved and consumed in respiration with carbohydrates, its RQ value is calculated as 6CO2 evolved by 6O2 consumed, and its RQ value is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. And due to equal number of carbon dioxide and oxygen evolved and consumed, the carbohydrate RQ value is equal to 1. RQ value of fats. So fats also sometimes used as a respiratory substance in respiration. At this time, by taking one of the fatty acid as an example like tripalmitin in respiration that can release energy, and its respiratory formula is 2C51H98O6 plus 145O2 is giving rise to 102CO2 plus 98H2O plus energy. So during this respiratory process, 1 or 2 carbon dioxide molecules are released and 145 oxygen molecules are utilized to release large amount of energy, so that more number of oxygen is utilized and less number of carbon dioxide is released, so that its RQ value is calculated as 1 or 2 carbon dioxide evolved by 145 oxygen consumed, and its RQ value is equal to 1 or 2 by 145 is equal to 0.7, so that the fat or fatty acid RQ value is equal to 0.7. It is less than 1 due to more number of oxygen utilized and less number of carbon dioxide evolved. And RQ value of proteins. Sometimes proteins are also used as a respiratory substance for respiration. At this time, if proteins are acts as a respiratory substance, its RQ value is equal to 0.9. Along with this, sometimes organic acids are also participated. The RQ value of organic acid is, the RQ value of oxalic acid is equal to 4 and RQ value of malic acid is equal to 1.33. RQ value of organic acid is more than unity as organic acid contain high proportion of oxygen as compared to carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, less oxygen is absorbed than CO2 liberated. And pure proteins and fats never used as a respiratory substance in respiratory pathway. So it is the RQ value of different substances which participate in respiration. Thanks for watching.